What's up everybody, Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Daniel. In today's episode, we are going to be using the Cricut Foil Transfer Kit, and we are going to be trying to make a custom candle label with it. Let's dive on in. For 100% transparency, I have zero experience with this tool. I just got it from Michael's. It's been very difficult to find. This is, of course, the brand new Cricut Foil Transfer system. It is not brand new. I think it's a month old, but I have been really struggling to get my hands on it. So we're going to open this bad boy up. And I'm making a candle label, but I'm trying to incorporate a gold foil effect on the label. Also never done that before. So we're going to see how that turns out. Transfer kit comes with the main thing and the other three things. Very nice. And it also comes with some sample foil here. If there's gold, there is gold. So I don't even need to open my great big $18 thing that I got. Awesome. Should have maybe read the instructions there. Not sure what this stuff is. Oh, these are pieces of tape. Perfect. I did watch a YouTube tutorial before starting this project, so I do have some visual experience, but no practical experience, which I say is the most fun. Am I right? Okay, so for the tips, there is a small, a thin, a fine, and a bold or something, and they're just indicated by the little strips on here. The foil I'm using is medium, which is the head with the two lines. So I'm going to put the other ones in my little section there in my Cricut maker. That is my mom's nail file. Sorry about that. I'm just going to push the button here. Or I'm just going to actually drop the head in. I guess it works with magnets. Okay, that's great. If you notice this tree behind me, this is made by my friend Lauren Crafts. I'll put her Instagram in the description below. She is an amazing woodworker and illustrator, and she made this for me for my market in November, which was canceled due to COVID cases rising. I have my Cricut system open. Going to save the box in case anything comes up. There we go. Okay, now for the label, I have a jar here. This is the jar I'm going to be planning on using. I just want to get the measurements, so I want my label to be about 2 inches high, let's say, and 2 inches wide. We want it to be about a 2 by 2 inch box. So maybe we'll do 2.25. Yeah. And actually, I think we'll want our foil to be fine. Yeah, we're going to want it to be fine. Gonna align it in the center. Perfect. We're going to reflatten, send it to the back, gonna attach, and we're gonna make it. All right, so let's go for it. Hope this works. So I'm going to be printing, putting foil on, and then cutting. So we are going to send to printer. I already have my sticker paper in there. This seems correct. Have my standard grip, cutting that here. Not very sticky, but does the job. And here is our printed image. I don't know how to get the text on top of the foil, and then I realized, why would you want to print on foil? So I designed my image so that the foil would go around it. I'm going to put this on my cutting mat. What is this tool called? A brayer? Okay. And I'm just going to roll that on the paper so it's nice and snug. And then I'm going to put it in my machine. So we need to load the foil transfer fine tip in clamp B. That is loaded in. And we need to tape the gold foil on base material. All right, wish me luck. It's going into the machine. Oh, you need all your things, all your rollers to the right. Oops. We're gonna go for it. It's scanning and I covered up the scan line, so. Okay, so fun fact, it is going to try and find the scan lines. Nope, okay, so sometimes you just need to learn for a quick second. Ow! I just stabbed myself with the scissors. Okay, we are staying positive. We are staying super positive. One more time from the top. We're foiling. Do not unload the mat. Remove gold foil. Okay, so where the tape was, it kind of didn't really impress there, but I think the idea of a flower still remains. So we're just gonna continue. We're going to unload this. You just press this button to take out the head there. I think it's with magnets, but we're just gonna put our fine tip blade back in. Press the go button to resume. All right, unloading the mat here. Hey, here's our label. I'm gonna show you on the close-up camera. Close-up camera here. Here is the design. Can't really get my camera to calibrate there. Okay, that's. I think it looks okay. Like, can put it on the. Oh, I think that looks quite nice actually. I will probably do this one more time since this is a custom order, but for the purposes of this video, I'd say this was a success. So you can cut and print with the Cricut Transfer Foil system. Just takes 1 or 2 tries to get it working the way you'd like. But hope that helped you all if you're interested in getting the Transfer Foil system for your Cricut to make candle labels or other things. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that like or subscribe button. It really helps a lot. We're almost at 800 subscribers, which is crazy. Thank you all for your new subscription. It means a lot to me. And stay crafty, everybody. See you later.